Wanted to talk about this Notepad++. Reason is Notepad++ is such a wonderful editor. It's a supporting editor where you can write your source code, especially HTML, JavaScript, JS, PHP. As a web developer, you can use quite a lot coding using this Notepad++. That's a wonderful thing to know. So for me to do that, actually, I need to download this software. I go to Notepad++ website. Simply I go to Google and type Notepad++ and search. When I click there, I will get into this, and I will have the 32-bit version and the 64-bit version. So I will click on this installer and downloading 64-bit version, and I will be seeing that download file will be on the download folder. Then I double click, say yes, here we go. I say next, install it. Yeah, create a shortcut on the icon desktop. Okay, maybe my notepad is open. Yes, I say retry, install, done. So that's best. When I look at into the HTML codes on notepad, simply I can see these codes coming in different colors. That's something really good. So tags for red color, tags comes in red color, certain attribute coming on a green color, not attribute, some methods and methods in another color. So this is easy to identify the syntax, semantic errors as a developer. So that's why we use Notepad++ rather than Notepad. If you type in Notepad, not a problem. If you are a good developer, you are a very comprehensive developer. So if you save the same coding, so it shows in a black color. So this shows in different color. If you made a mistake here, you can identify easily. That's why we use Notepad++.